Gatler, My Foolish Heart.
We only have to worry about us, but we'll be fine. All right, here we go. Everybody ready? No, stop. Sorry.
Sorry, I don't know how to stop this thing, so I'm still running, so enjoy.
Pamela, stop now. Ready now? Okay, here we go. Everybody else ready?
The scene is set for romance. My heart is beating fast, so fast. Will his love be the one for me? And will the magic last? The night is like a lovely tune. Beware, my foolish heart, how bright the ever-constant moon. Take care, my foolish heart. There's a illumination that's hard to see on an evening such as this, for they both give the very same sensation when you're lost in the magic of a kiss is bliss. Are much too close to mine, beware, my foolish heart. But should our eager lips combine, then let the fire start. This time